Hi, this is Timothy Schutte with Exit Realty and Associates. Welcome back to our video blog. I have Susan Maroon with Rize Mortgage with us today. We just recently partnered with Rize and Susan and wanted to introduce everybody to her. Susan, what excites you about Rize?
I'm really excited for Rize because they offer some really competitive pricing, some great programs, and I just really feel like it's going to help people more.
Cool. You've been in the industry how long?
25 years.
25 years. So you've done a lot of mortgages?
Yes, tons.
Tons of mortgages. So what do you see for 2026? Or like, why is it important to get approved? What do you see rates doing, stuff like that?
Well, rates have been fluctuating quite a bit lately with everything going on with the industry, but I think it's super important for people to get pre-approved because it allows them to make sure there's no surprises in the end. They know what they're qualified for and they don't miss out on the house that they want.
I would agree with that. It's like we've shown houses a few times to people that aren't approved, and they find the house and it takes them a week to get pre-approved, and then the house is gone.
Yeah.
Susan, thanks for coming and sharing. If you have any questions from you, the audience, let me know. I'd be happy to help.
Yes, if any of you have any questions or want to start the pre-approval process, please contact me at the information below. I'd love to hear from you.